I put out some content about alpha feminine women and the scenarios that they deal with. And we were talking about masculine figuring out the unknown, right? So to that reverse, if you are a woman driving through life in your masculine, the unknown is this motherfucker gonna get my door? Is he gonna pay for my meal? Is it like, and it's when I'm talking to, because a lot of women will say, oh, they're fed up getting told about relaxing your feminine, just follow something, all these things that seem foreign. Well, of course, they're driving in their masculine. And the whole dynamic is masculine takes on, doesn't matter if you're a man or woman, masculine takes on unknown. Will somebody pay my bills? Will somebody take me out to eat? Will somebody step in and be a gentleman? Will somebody show that? And it's challenging, you know, because the enforcing society is not backing up. Oh, that feminine's got that power, girl. Like, no, it's the bad bitch energy. It's the go do it yourself. The thing that's not talked about is, okay, once you flip that switch and activate your masculine is taking on all the unknown. And that's why it's so hard. It seems like, oh, I can submit if I know he's doing it right. Well, that's because your masculine is unknown. Will he do it right? Is he good enough? And it creates a dynamic where alpha women are expecting a super masculine man. And she's like, no, it's just masculine and feminine. If you're already there with the masculine, there's no room for other masculine. Well, I'll keep it moving. There's nothing to do here. And it's a misunderstanding of feminine. Relaxing is truly relaxing, and I'll give it, especially if society has had you pick that up, it's a hard switch to turn off and understand where it is safe to. And I like, to that, I just have to say, I like influencers that are putting out content towards educating and expanding the knowledge of how to be feminine and flowing. Because really, inside the feminine is the allowing. It's the vetting of, is this going to be a real man? Because it's real easy to show up, like you said, easiest to get. If he's not, like you said, the dog walks by, oh, well, there's test not passed. On to the next. Don't worry about it. Go ahead and take care of yourself. It's when they entertain, because I watch this so many times, they'll show up, and what's the easiest thing? To usher the interaction along or send out the invite, or like, well, you keep giving them the invite to just go along with. You keep sending back to him. You keep doing the thing that ushers. Why didn't he show up? Why didn't he be a man? You've given him the breadcrumbs to autopilot. All he has to do is to take your tone. And if he's not doing that, you're going to call him out or say what he's not doing or critique it and say it how you actually wanted it. Like, your hand never gets off the wheel. Like, nobody can drive that. You're the captain of the ship the whole time.